So you're out house shopping and you find a house that you really like, but man, this house could use a lot of TLC. Not to mention, where are you going to get the money from to do the repairs? Well, it might be time for you to look into a renovation loan. This type of financing is a single loan transaction that provides you with a large variety of property options for your fixer-upper. So this is how it works. Let's say you find a house for $200,000, but it needs $50,000 in renovations. We're going to peg that value at $250,000 for our loan purpose, and that is what we're going to base your down payment on. Now, we're going to close the loan, and we're going to put that money aside for you to do the repairs. As you complete the repairs, we will distribute monies to the contractor. And once the property is done, then you can move into the house and you're gonna have a nice, beautiful house, and you didn't have to put any monies extra out of your pocket. Now, this is a great option for conventional or FHA, okay? And we're very versed on this as well. So if you have any questions or you're finding that house out there and it really just needs some help and you just don't have the funds to do it, give us a call and ask us about our renovation loan. We would love to help you out with this. Thanks so much.